Want to recover your permanently deleted Gmail account? Don't worry, I'm here for you. This fix is simple and effective. Let's not waste your time and jump right in. So if you want to recover your Gmail account, you will have to open any browser. Here, search for Gmail Account Recovery to recover your account. Now click on this first link, How to Recover Your Google Account or Gmail. Scroll down and click on this option called Recover Your Account. Now enter the email address of your Gmail account that is deleted. Now tap on Next. Now continue. And here you go. Your Gmail account should be permanently recovered. With this way, a permanently deleted Gmail account can be recovered. If the video helped you out, then don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.